In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect the Virtual Robotics Toolkit to the Mindstorms EV3 programming environment. It's really quite straightforward. If you've used the Mindstorms programming environment for the physical robot, you'll see that the workflow is identical. So what I have here is I have my robot. I've called up the EV3 virtual brick. If you happen to be missing this screen, so I'm just going to right click and close it, I can find it by coming up here and choosing Intelligent Brick. And then whether you keep it free floating or docked is completely up to you. I am going to turn the brick on. You'll see if I don't turn the brick on, so I'm going to come to the Mindstorms programming environment, that there's no robots currently listed. Once I turn the brick on, the Mindstorms programming environment will find the virtual robot. So in this particular instance, my virtual robot's called EV3 Educator Vehicle. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to write a simple program. It's going to do nothing more than drive the robot straight. And let's say it's going to do that at a power setting of 75 for 4 rotations on ports B and C. And then maybe it's going to display a message on screen. So here I'm going to just choose a picture, and I will hold that image on screen for a couple of seconds so we can see it. So let's make this 2 seconds. So there's my program. Drive straight, print a big heart, and then hold that message or that image on screen for 2 seconds. So I'm going to come to my virtual robot and I'm going to connect to it and download my code. Back in the Virtual Robotics Toolkit here, I will find my program. So here I have my project. I'm going to use the middle button to select it. And let's run my program and see what happens. So it drives forward and it prints a heart on the screen for 2 seconds. So there you have it. That is connecting the Virtual Robotics Toolkit to the Mindstorms programming environment. And as I've mentioned in past videos, if you've had any kind of past experience with the physical robot, you can see that the workflow is identical. If you've never used a physical robot before, the Virtual Robotics Toolkit is truly an exceptional tool for being introduced to the Mindstorms programming experience, and certainly an invaluable tool for anyone who is running a competitive robotics team, for example, First LEGO League team or World Robot Olympiad team, because now through the Virtual Robotics Toolkit, we have a tool that allows all the team members on our team to get involved in the programming of the robot, even when the physical device is not available. So for example, when we're at home or on weekends, when we're out of club meeting time.